YouTube world. This is your girl Yona of Yona's Eyes with another wig try on. As you may have heard in my previous videos, I'm trying to add synthetic wigs to my website for women who just like this wig kind of style, kind of look for pictures, not to be worn outside, maybe for a little role play or something like that, but not to necessarily wear out. And so the last three styles of wigs that I had, I was not very pleased with them, and I had these ones on the way, and I give these a B, not a B plus, not a B minus, but a B. And I'm going to tell you why. So if you're interested in seeing the different colors in this hairstyle, keep watching.
They come for your dream, come for your work. They make you mean, they make you work. They take your work, they take your work, your self-esteem. They make you hurt, they make you hurt. They make it seem like it ain't worth it, but it's always worth it.
Alright, so this is the color maroon. And I chose it because it is a very popular color whenever it comes to either dyeing your hair or wigs. And the picture that I received, let me give you a little backdrop. I cannot go by overseas reviews. The picture that I received versus this is completely different. And the reviews said that this was like kind of a fan favorite or whatever have you, and maybe it is for someone who is practicing wigs, practicing techniques on wigs. Basically, all that I have for a wig like this is a bristle brush, and that's it. Now, I will use the Mystique spray because it helps with the detangling and it gives it some additional shine to it, but I'm not the type of person to do major things to wigs. I'm just not. I just really want to put it on, take the pictures, and be done with it. And this is the type of wig that, you know, you do have to go through it with a brush, at least a bristle brush or a wide tooth comb, and you are going to shed and experience some tangling. As you brush it, you're also going to lose some of the curl, but it still ends up looking like really nice shiny hair. The tangle does come out, and with an inexpensive unit like this, shedding is kind of expected. It's kind of expected. So I did not spray this hair because I didn't want to. But I did want to get on here and just show you the other colors that I have in this particular style. There's no combs in this unit. There are only adjustable straps in the back. They do fit very snug. And I have a fairly small head, so it ends up working out. This is on the left side, but I'm not have a right part either, but right here. To me, the black has the best curls to it, but it's still equally as tangled, and it still sheds. But it looks so nice. I will give it that. I like how these look on camera. And that's all. That's what Yona's Eyes wigs are for. To look good on camera. And to keep it pushing. Okay. Next up is brown. I normally have would have cornrows, and I just have 2 braids. tucking my 2 braids underneath the straps. But again, as you see, the hair is like really shiny and it's good for pictures. Okay? So that's what I do love about it. Love about the unit. I just wanted it to have more body. That's all. That's the only thing that I was missing from this unit. That I could charge for it the prices that I want. The last color is a very bright and Poppington purple. I don't like middle parts. So you're not going to get any baby hair with this. If you want natural looking wigs, Yona's Eyes is really not for you. I understand. So that probably means that you wear these units outside, and I don't. They're great for pictures because of the way that the light hits them. It causes them to shine. And they're long and flowy, which gives it a beautiful picture. You just have to deal with the shedding and the tangling for a short period of time, but other than that, these units are a go. So I'm going to keep the units that I have tried on here today, and then I'm going to try and I'm going to sell the rest of them at a very, very reasonable price. I just want to be fair to all parties when it comes to the price of these wigs, because they are picture perfect. They serve the purpose that I want them to serve. However, they do not fit the feeling, like the quality feel. I want a little bit more body and like parting and stuff. I don't know. I know what I'm looking for when I see it, because I don't know a lot about wigs, but I know wigs that I like. So this is your girl Yana of Yona's Eyes saying, drop a comment. Make sure you like this video. Hope you have the notification bell hit so that anytime I'm getting ready to do a review, a try on, etc., etc., you are the first person to be notified. What you waiting on? And tell me what you think about these wigs. They're all the same. Which color do you like the best? And are you interested? Okay? Well, again, this is your girl Yana of Yona's Eyes saying, see ya when I see ya. Hey.